Elkmont is known by some as the ghost town because it used to be a once thriving playground for the rich in the early 1900s. Daisy Town Day is a day to celebrate the history preserved at Elkmont in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. Once the national park was made, the homes were eventually abandoned and were set to be demolished. But as time went on, many wanted the rich history there preserved, and so it has been a labor of love, and many homes have been restored, and much history has been kept, and it is now a treasure to see. Daisytown Day celebrates the section of the vacation homes known as Daisytown, with park rangers, volunteers, dressing up, a musical group, and special artifacts on display. My favorite was the China dish settings and the silent movies from the special time there.
Yeah, the neighbors taking care of the kids. Rich people used to pay people to take care of the kids for them.
That a lot of Scots Irish roots are in this area. We love that. We celebrate it. Oh.
We actually met some of the family who stayed in this family. We have that here because I'm portraying Maina Abbott today. She was a world famous artist, and that was her summer home. I have painted most all of the artwork, except for the pictures that are lined up across the back of the table. Those are copies of Maina's actual pictures. And then the ones that are framed laying down in the center are paintings I did, copying her original art.
Okay.
Oh, so there's another log line.
I didn't name them all. Anything else is not.
So this is probably not right.
The acorns, aren't they? Yeah. That's what helps them get through their hibernation. Around here, though, they don't really hibernate.
Everything's so small. It was an absolutely wonderful day, and if you've never been to Elkmont Ghost Town, you should definitely go.